Drink this ginger turmeric combo before bed to reduce inflammation and never wake up tired again. If you want to naturally energize your body, help sleep, and fight inflammation in the body, you are in the right place. Being powerful superfoods used for millennia, ginger and turmeric will improve health in a number of ways: soothe pain, treat inflammation, relax your body, and boost your energy levels. This natural elixir is full of delicious nutrients that will enhance your well-being and help you get a sound, restoring sleep. Here is how to prepare it. Ginger turmeric elixir recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 small piece of fresh ginger, peeled and minced, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 pinch black pepper, 2 cups coconut milk, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions: mix the ingredients, and heat the mixture in a saucepan for 5 minutes. Then, drink it in the morning, on an empty stomach. Ginger is a natural way to lower inflammation, reduce cholesterol levels, help digestion, prevent cancer, strengthen the immune system, and relieve nausea. Moreover, it boosts blood circulation, soothes muscle pain, improves the cognitive abilities, and relaxes the body. According to Susan McQuillan, MS, RDN, CDN, the active medicinal ingredients in ginger are phytochemicals known as gingerols and showgol. Ginger has long been used as an herbal remedy to relieve motion sickness, morning sickness, general nausea, and upset stomach and, more recently, post-surgical nausea and chemotherapy-induced nausea. Ginger has also been used to treat and prevent the growth of H. pylori, the bacteria responsible for gastric infections and ulcers. In addition to helping relieve pain, ginger may help to prevent some of the side effects associated with conventional painkillers as well. On the other hand, turmeric is another effective way to energize the body, relieve pain, improve sleep, treat anxiety and depression, and fight inflammation. It supports heart health, helps the digestive process, regulates blood sugar levels, prevents and treats cancer, and reduces oxidative stress.